of nice having a whole table.
I can't believe we have this entire campground to ourselves. We are lucky. Alright. What do I want to make? Yeah, I think I'm going to try for a quesadilla. Quesadilla. Tortillas. Oh my gosh. I've gone to the store how many times now and I still forgot cooking spray. Someday I'll learn. Maybe. Alright, let's get this thing fired up. I'm fired up. Are you fired up, Blue, or what, man? And there is fire. We set this on low heat so we can give our vegan cheese time to melt. Janky quesadillas by yours truly. If anyone wants the recipe, you just let me know. So what you want to do is you want to cut your cheese slices into fourths, okay, and place on the bottom of your pan. Let your cheese slices melt. Yeah, that's about all I've got so far. Hey, Blue, what are you doing, bud? Something naughty, I'm sure. Please melt. Sausage. Alright then. Oh, I need my scissors. I have a severe fear that this cheese isn't gonna melt. So, this might be a quesadilla fail. But we'll get there. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. It could be a beauty. After you cut up your cheese slices, you're going to want to grab your scissors and your sausage and you're going to want to chop it into your quesadilla, okay? And you want to make sure you don't grease your pan, so just don't even worry about cooking spray. And you kind of want to make sure that your last fajita remnants are still in the pan, okay? Add something, I don't know. Don't ask me, ask Gordon Ramsay. He can explain it to you. I think it's starting to melt. We might be getting somewhere. Do you guys love that I can talk in any accent but my own when I'm cooking? Force a habit, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is the jankiest dinner ever. Alright, now we're gonna get some pre-sliced peppers and onions that have expired. Well, they expired yesterday, but whatever. You want to make sure they're pre-chopped because God forbid you chop your own stuff. You know, that would be terrible. And you just sort of sprinkle it on top. I crack myself up. Honestly, I could not do this road trip stuff if I found myself boring because I just spend all day alone. So, I guess it's good that I entertain myself. Somebody has to, Blue. Is this even what a quesadilla is? I feel like onions are a quesadilla thing, right? I should probably put more cheese on top, right? So that it sticks to the other side. I feel like there's logic in that somewhere, so we'll do that. Now let me crank this puppy up a little bit and see if we can't get this expedited. Gentle. Good boy. You're the best dog in the world. Alright. Oh, I brought my Hispanic seasoning. Although I don't think you're supposed to technically season a quesadilla, but you know what? We've done everything else wrong, so might as well just add to it. I'll be coming out with a recipe book shortly. Camp dinners with Maria. Janky ways to make it work. Trademark. Nobody steal it. Oh, we're smoking. Well, Maria, I guess that happens when you don't have cooking spray. You know what? I feel like the cheese is like considering melting. Like it might. But probably not. I guess if the quesadilla fails, I can just feed the cheese to Blue and make it into a burrito. Resourceful. You got a problem, I got an answer. I got a way to fix it. Please stop smoking, you're scaring me. Alright, we might be burning just a tad. But you know what? The cheese is getting a little bit Alright, I rate the flip a 6 out of 10. Could have been worse, could have been way better. Yeah, cheese is low-key melting. Dang, Blue. I got this figured out. How does it feel to be on the road with a pro chef, huh? React. That flip was a 2 out of 10. My flipping skills are going downhill, and they're going downhill fast. I really do got this. I'd say we're almost done. One very important part of this recipe is you want to make sure you smash it down so your tortilla starts breaking, because it actually makes the cheese melt faster if you do that. If you leave the tortilla intact, anyways, it's hard logic and science, so I won't take the time to explain it, but I promise it works. Make sure the tortilla is smashed. Okay. Ooh, that cheese is melty. Alright, I'd say we're done. Kaput. Should I cut my quesadilla with scissors? I feel like that's kind of funny. I'll do anything for a laugh. No, Blue. So you want to cut your quesadilla in half with scissors. There's really no, it has to be scissors. You can't cut it any other way. And then you want to drown it in salsa. So, and that's the recipe. It's so simple, you guys. You'll love it. Dinner is served. If I can find a fork. Hello, how many more do I have to guess before you just give me a fork? Thank you. Sometimes you just gotta yell it. Alright, my knees hurt, so I'm gonna eat this in the back. I'm real tired of squatting. We did pretty good, you guys. Honestly, this is not bad for the way that I made it and what I used. It's pretty good. I think I like it better than the fajitas from last time. So that's pretty nice. It's getting kind of chilly. I mean, we did it, you guys. We did it. Good job, Bubby. Thanks for your support. Alright, you guys. Sunset's in 45 minutes, so I'm gonna feed Blue and take him on a walk. I can't believe we're the only people in this entire campground. It's crazy. We should throw a party, Blue. Just you and me, kid. You know? No? Okay, he's like, feed me. So I'm gonna go do that. We'll see ya.